everybody. I'm meteorologist AJ Colby here in the Weather Center. Happy Monday, everybody. Hope you had a terrific weekend. Well, the cooler, drier Canadian air mass is settling over the Great Lakes in northeast Ohio. Humidity levels coming down. Breezes are coming in with some gusto, though. Not much in the way of precipitation as of this point. Can't rule out maybe a renegade shower or so overnight tonight, especially. But boy, wait until you see the forecast that's coming up. It's just stunning, especially for late August. Some very pleasant temperatures on the way, and feeling, I'd say, rather comfortable, for lack of a better term. There are better terms, and by golly, we're going to find them. First of all, here's Doppler radar, and across northeast Ohio, it may look like there are a couple of sprinkles or a spritz or two out there, but doubtful these are reaching the ground. Again, there's a chance for perhaps a spotty spritz, and that's just about all. Boy, it is a choppy, rough ride out there on Lake Erie. The lake is a cauldron. Look at that live shot now, that live picture. This from the crib cam looking toward downtown Cleveland. And the lake is a Twitter. It's bustling. For sure. Small craft advisory is in effect with a north wind 15 to 25 knots. Waves are 4 to 9 feet. That's a Dramamine ride if I've ever heard of one. And north wind will be rocking again tomorrow, 15 to 20 knots, 3 to 6 footers out there as the small craft flag will continue to fly. Water temperature off Cleveland is 75 degrees. From outer space, here's a look at our textured cumulus cloud perspective. That's quite a picture. The sun is making it through in spots and little waves as those cumulus clouds continue to build with some instability upstream and a trough of low pressure that is in place. We'll widen the view just a little bit. To get into any appreciable sunshine, you have to go out almost toward Chicago, northwestern Indiana, before you see any breaks in the overcast of any consequence. Meanwhile, departing Ernesto there in the extreme upper right-hand part of your screen, any of the weather action appears to be over Montana, the Dakotas, and out in the Plain States where some storms are rumbling away, and down in Florida, imagine that as well. Meantime, regional radar picking up on some showers, perhaps some heavier thunder showers over parts of Vermont up toward Montpelier and north of the Big Apple. Also some thunderstorm clusters around Philly and outside of our nation's capital. Meantime, a couple of showers, Wichita down to Tulsa. Other than that, how do the maps shake out? Well, the main cold front itself pressing off the east coast as Canadian high pressure is the weather control and the dominant weather feature over the upper plain states and heading down into the Ohio Valley. Some lake-driven rain showers around Detroit. We think we'll be free of those, though, as high pressure continues to build in and influence the pattern over the entire Great Lakes region and into the Ohio Valley. Look at how that high sprawls out from Canada down into the lower Mississippi Valley, as any stormy weather is from the panhandle of Florida south and east. That's it. And over parts of New England, a couple of rain showers there. This is for tomorrow night's map. And as we head into Wednesday morning, we'll continue to see the northerly flow. That'll keep our temperatures very pleasant for this time of the year, quite a bit below normal, actually, with normal highs in the low 80s for the most part. How about precip-wise? Well, a couple of showers, again, are showing up on the Futurecast radar models overnight tonight, early tomorrow morning. I think that's overdone. I don't believe that we're going to see any rain activity around, and that's due to dry air really settling in. Check out the dew point Futurecast. Look at those 50-degree dew points flooding in. It's going to feel mighty comfy. Some great nights for sleeping are in store here in Northeast Ohio. Our forecast for tonight goes as follows. Mostly cloudy skies, breezy and cool, with a renegade rain shower possible, especially late. Probability of precip is only 20%. Sunset tonight at 8:20 with a north wind 10 to 20 miles an hour, coming in with a bit of gusto, gusts up to 30 miles an hour. For tomorrow, sunshine galore. There'll be some mixed lake clouds in there, but nothing to really write home about. A breezy, refreshingly cool day. Highs topping out in the upper 60s. Isn't that something? Sun up at 6:42, and north winds cruising in at 10 to 15 miles an hour, reinforcing that cool, dry air. Here's a look at the extended outlook now, and boy, it is a simple one. Nothing but sun and warming temperatures. Pleasant high Wednesday at 74. Look at overnight lows, mid 50s. That is so pleasant and so refreshing. 78 on Thursday, a little bit warmer Friday, 82, and the mercury on the climb for Saturday. I think we'll be in for some sunny weather for our next weekend. We could use a nice weekend coming up, especially after what we just went through. It wasn't the nicest weekend, that's for sure. So we get into the sunshine for the weekend upcoming, and temperatures just above average for this time of the year. We're calling for a high of 86 on Saturday and in the 80s as well on Sunday. Hope you have a terrific night, everybody. Thanks for stopping by from the AJ Colby Weather Center. I am meteorologist AJ Colby. Have a great night, everybody.